Thank you for choosing Akel's Flooring and Cabinets for your new project. We understand that home renovations can be a bit stressful, so we're here to make the process as smooth as possible for you. Here's a brief guide on what to expect and how you can help us ensure a seamless installation. Please remove any fragile items, electronics, and small items from the room. We'll handle the heavy furniture for you. Remove bedding from your beds and clear any items stored beneath the beds or on the closet floors. Take down pictures and valuable items from the walls, even in the adjacent rooms. Make arrangements to keep your pets safe and out of the construction area. We don't want them to get hurt or escape during the installation process. Occasionally we encounter unexpected problems such as subfloor conditions or defective materials. Our technicians will stop the work, review the situation, and discuss the next steps with you to ensure the best outcome. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask our technicians on site or contact our sales professional. We appreciate your cooperation and look forward to providing you with a beautiful new project. Thank you again for trusting Akel's Flooring and Cabinets with your new project.